How to log in POF account. So if you want to log in to your POF account, which is Plenty of Fish account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply tap on the search, simply go for the search bar and search for POF login. And once you've searched, on the first search you will have www.pof.com. Click on that and now it will take you to the login page, right? So to log into your account, first you need to enter your username here on the first blank, or you can also enter your email address which you have used to create your account. And once you enter that, here on the next blank you need to enter the password. So after entering the password of your Plenty of Fish account, but if you don't remember your password and if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot your password so that you can reset or recover your password on POF. But if you remember, then simply enter your information, and if your information is correct, then you can click on login. And after clicking on login, if your information is correct, then you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Plenty of Fish account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.